My name is Dustin DeMaurro, and I'll be presenting on grassroots strategy at Pinnacle West and Wipro Corporation. In this presentation, I will be focusing on three main points of emphasis for each corporation: company background, challenges that led to the grassroots strategy, and how they responded to the challenges. Starting with Pinnacle West. Pinnacle West is an Arizona-based company providing energy and energy-related services and products to residential and business consumers. Challenges leading to the grassroots strategy. The utilities industry was highly regulated. Due to environmental concerns, the ACC approved a renewable energy standard from 1.5% in 2007 to 15% by 2015. Further challenges included Arizona's projected growth. Capital investment requirements for energy production are substantial. Pinnacle was expected to spend $1 billion per year on energy infrastructure. To cover these costs in a regulated price market, Pinnacle has to make sure operating costs are perfected. How Pinnacle West responded to the challenges. Pinnacle West realized they were an organization that lacked formal processes. They were highly dependent on people knowing who to contact when issues arrived. They believed if they implemented a grassroots strategy that Pinnacle West could become one team working with our customers to advance and transform the business. The transformation process began with identifying a clear vision for information services. The goal of this strategy was to integrate the bottom-up process improvements with top-down management strategy for processes. Moving on to Wipro. Wipro is a global information technology consulting and outsourcing company with 154,297 employees serving clients in 175 cities across 6 continents as of March 2014. The client sectors include banking and insurance, energy and utilities, financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, media, retail, technology, telecommunications, and transportation. Challenges that led to the grassroots strategy. Wipro separated itself in the marketplace as a low-cost, high-quality provider. Global customers were skeptical that a small company in India could provide high-quality software that their businesses needed. International competitors were starting to expand their presence in India. Software engineers' salaries was also increasing, cutting in on some of their low costs. How they responded to challenges. Wipro noticed that the best practices in one part of the firm were not being replicated successfully in other business units. They wanted to capture some of the benefits of team member empowerment. The previous processes was project managers were responsible for creating a detailed project plan using Microsoft Project and then assigning specific roles to team members. With this old strategy, the power of the engineers is untapped. Wipro took a new grassroots approach to process improvements, both improving quality and innovation. When Wipro rolled out a top-down approach, they had issues with low engagement. Wipro switched to the grassroots approach, resulting in smaller impact but higher acceptance. An example of this is each project manager was free to choose whatever lean countermeasures they thought was the most appropriate for their given project. After training sessions, the SQAs were charged to go out and find one lead project of their own, empowering lower-level employees. Sustainability. I do believe Pinnacle West can sustain a grassroots strategy. The reason why is the company as a whole got behind the process improvement efforts. Pinnacle has the support from the top down, including senior VPs fully supported the effort. In regards to Wipro, I do not think the grassroots strategy is sustainable. They are too large of a company and they're looking for too dramatic of a change to stay competitive, such as the results they got when they took the top-down approach. They also find it easier if the changes are pushed down the organization. In conclusion, one of the issues with grassroots strategy is sustainability improvement is not high.